Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy version of the delicious South Indian style mango chutney. So let's get cooking. For the mango chutney, here I have 2 semi-ripe mangoes. You can use unripe mangoes or you can also use fully ripe mangoes, but I just like the sweet and sour flavor of semi-ripe mangoes and I find that works best. So I'm going to start by peeling and chopping my mangoes into bite-sized pieces like this. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to turn into a chutney anyway. Now it's time to start the cooking process. In a pan here on medium heat, I'm going to start by adding around half a cup of water, to which I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give all of this a really nice mix and wait for it to come to a bubble. Once the mixture starts bubbling, I'm going to add all of the mango pieces to this. Mix it again really well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for around 6 to 7 minutes. As the mangoes are cooking, I'm also going to melt 2 tablespoons worth of jaggery in some hot water, so it gets easier to incorporate into the mixture. As you can see, I'm just going to add the jaggery to this bowl, add some hot water to it, and keep mixing till all of it dissolves. If you don't have jaggery, you can use brown sugar to mimic that caramel flavor, and if you don't have that too, you can just use plain sugar. If you're using brown sugar or regular sugar, you can just skip this step. You can check midway to see if there's enough moisture in the mixture. If your mixture's gotten too thick, you can just add a little more water. So it's been around 6 minutes, and as you can see, my chutney has a really nice semi-liquid consistency. So I cooked it for 6 to 7 minutes because my mangoes were semi-ripe. If yours are fully ripe, you can just do this for around 3 to 4 minutes. And if yours are totally unripe, then you can keep it for around 10 to 12 minutes. So to this, I'm going to add the jaggery liquid that we had made earlier, pour all of this into the mixture, and keep mixing really well till the chutney thickens up a little more. And I'm just going to do this for around 2 minutes. I'm also going to salt to taste, mix all of this really well. This is the kind of consistency we're looking for. And set this aside. Now I'm going to make the tempering that's going to give this chutney its traditional South Indian flavor. To a pan on high heat, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of sunflower oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice. Here I have 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Since my pan was already hot, as you can see, as soon as I add in all of the mustard seeds, you're going to start spluttering immediately, and that's what we want. So as soon as the seeds start spluttering, I'm also going to add in 2 dried Kashmiri red chilies, and I'm going to break each chili into 2 to release its flavors. And just mix this for around 5 to 6 seconds till there's a nice toasty aroma of the chilies as well. And that's our tempering. Now I'm just going to add this tempering to the mango chutney that we had made earlier. Mix it really well. And that's the finished dish. What makes this chutney so special is that it hits all of the flavor profiles. So you get the sweet and sour from the mangoes, the bitterness from the mustard seeds, the spice from the chilies, and sweetness from the jaggery. It's so flavorful and so delicious. Although this is a South Indian style chutney that traditionally pairs in a South Indian meal with rice, stir fries, stews, and traditional South Indian sauces, I also like to use it as a dipping sauce for samosas, and sometimes also spread it over rice cakes for a quick and special treat. This recipe makes 1 cup of the mango chutney. So these are some of the ways that I like to pair my mango chutney. Let me know how you paired it in the comments below, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday.